How to fix Telegram app crashing. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if your Telegram app is crashing on its own, then here are a few things that can help solve the problem. So, the first thing you can do is long press on the app, then tap on app info. After you do that, first thing you can do is simply go to force stop and force stop the application. The other thing you can do is go to storage users, then go to clear cache. After you do that, check again if the app is crashing. Now, if you're still facing the problem, then you might have an update. So, in order to check it, simply go to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Telegram. Then as you can see over here, the app needs to be updated. So, you can simply update it, then your problem might also be fixed. So, if it still does not work, you can always try reinstalling the app. So this is how you can fix your Telegram crashing. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.